Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add and use Fibonacci Retracement tool in MetaTrader 5. Fibonacci Retracement is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify possible support and resistance levels in a price trend. It's based on a Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of two before. The key Fibonacci ratios 23.6%, 38.2%, and 50%, 61.8% and 100% are used to predict how far the market might retrace after a strong price movement. To build Fibonacci retracement, draw a trend line between two extreme points, for example from a low through to a high peak during uptrend. This tool then automatically plots horizontal lines at Fibonacci percentage levels of the chosen price move, and after a big price rise or fall, prices often retrace or pull back to one of these Fibonacci levels before continuing their trend. These retracement levels act as potential support or resistance zones. So just select the Fibonacci retracement tool in your trading platform. Click on the mark to the starting point, for example the lowest point before a rally, and drag the line to the end point is the highest point before a pullback. The retracement lines will appear automatically, and while drawing you may also see the time and price distance between start and end points and the slope angle of the trend line showing how steep the move was. So, first and last points adjust the start and end of the Fibonacci line, and middle point move the entire retracement pattern on the chart without changing its scale or length. So, each horizontal line corresponds to a retracement level. You can add or remove levels or display price values beside each level by typing the $$ in the description field. This will help you see exactly where potential support or resistance zones lie in terms of price. So, you can identify potential price correction zones within a trend, and traders watch these levels to plan entry points, stop losses, or profit targets. Fibonacci levels are not guarantees. They work best when combined with other indicators or price action signals. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks or MetaTrader 5 tutorials. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video.